Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on Pinterest. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Pinterest button to Chrome, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the web browser on your PC and enter Pinterest extension on the search bar. When the search results are shown, tap the first link. You will be taken to the Chrome Web Store. Here, tap Add to Chrome and tap Add Extension. A new tab will open. So, log into your Pinterest account. You are now on your home page. To add the Pinterest button to Chrome, tap the extension icon at the top and tap the pin icon next to Pinterest Save button to pin it to your toolbar. And that's how you add Pinterest button to Chrome. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.